Sparrows are small passerine birds belonging to the family Passeridae, which is widespread across the globe. These birds are known for their diminutive size, with most species measuring around 12 to 15 centimeters (4.7–5.9 inches) in length. They have compact bodies, short rounded wings, and stout beaks. The appearance of sparrows can vary depending on the species and geographical location. In general, they have brown or grayish plumage, often with streaks or markings on their backs and wings. Male sparrows tend to exhibit more vibrant colors during the breeding season, with brighter plumage and distinguishing features like black throat patches or chestnut crowns. Sparrows are highly adaptable birds and can be found in a variety of habitats, including urban areas, woodlands, grasslands, and farmlands. They have a cosmopolitan distribution, inhabiting every continent except Antarctica. They are particularly associated with human settlements and are known for their ability to thrive in urban environments, where they build nests in buildings, bridges, and other structures. These birds are primarily seed eaters, with a diet consisting of grains, seeds, and various plant materials. However, they also consume small insects and invertebrates, especially during the breeding season when they require additional protein for their young. Sparrows forage on the ground or in low vegetation, using their strong beaks to crack open seeds and extract the contents.